First session of the newly elected Yogi Adityanath government in Uttar Pradesh took off on a stormy start. In fact, there was a ruckus that broke out shortly after the assembly started, with opposition MLAs raising slogans and even standing on tables. They were seen hurling papers and also hurling paper balls at the governor while he was making his address. These are the unruly scenes that one is getting to see from the UP assembly. MLAs belonging to the Samajwadi Party cornering the Yogi Adityanath government on the issue of law and order in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The main bone of contention being the increasing number of attacks and rising tension in Uttar Pradesh in the last 1 week.
जब से सरकार बनी है, बड़ी डकैती, लूट, बलात्कार, छिनैती, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार के बाद पूरा परिवार को मार डालना, कत्ल, डकैती, ये घटनाएं इतनी बढ़ गई हैं कि जनता पूरा त्रस्त हो गई है। किसानों के साथ बिल्कुल धोखा किया गया है।
Shiv Pujan now joins us with the very latest. Shiv Pujan, a lot of drama that was seen unfolding in the UP assembly, and I also got a chance to see the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who seems to have not been quite troubled with those unruly scenes. But what is it? What is the main angst of the opposition? What is their main protest?
Well, you see, it is on the expected lines that the opposition, in fact, they stormed into the well, tried to throw paper scoff while the governor was making his address. The governor even warned these unruly MLAs that the entire state was watching whatever they were doing in the assembly. But it's on the expected lines. Time and again, the Samajwadi Party has been trying to tear apart the present government, primarily on the issue of law and order, and today they were joined in by the BSP MLAs as well. Basically, they are demanding that there has been a spurt in crime. Ever since Yogi Adityanath became the chief minister in the state, there has been a spurt in the communal tension, and they are presently being reported from various parts of the state. Besides, they think that the loan waiver which has been given to the farmers, it's not up to the mark, and that there should be more done by the government to ensure that some kind of relief is actually given to the farmers. Now the opposition, in fact, they want to hold these two important issues against the government. They want to score political points over these two important issues. But since the BJP has got a clear mandate, it has got an absolute majority, a thumping majority in the assembly. So that's the reason why Yogi Adityanath does not seem to be much disturbed. But in the days to come, we are expecting that possibly the opposition will rake up these issues and they will create further ruckus in the assembly.